Yes, good morning, madam. We want to show you what we have bought from that 1.5 which we received for food. So the one which is holding, he is holding beans. It's shinga 120. Then fish, they're about 150 each. There are 3 packets. That is 450. And then salad
6 liters of salad. Each
6 bottles.
6 bottles.
28 kwacha 1.
Yes. Total 168.
So this salad 168. Meal
160.
That is 480. And then cabbage there 30 kwacha plus
onion
5, 10, 20.
plus salt
10 kg.
So total amount
1,273 kwacha.
1,273 kwacha. So we are remaining with 227 kwacha for vegetables and some shortages. So we have used about 1,273 kwacha. We are remaining with 227 kwacha because meal 480, beans 120, that's 600 plus 450, 1 pin 50 kwacha, then plus cabbage plus tomato 30 kwacha, 1 pin 80 kwacha, plus salad, so which has brought us to